This is Caravan Salon 2021. This is the G740 Evidence from Pilote. It's an integrated motorhome. It'll cost €82,000. It has 4 sleeping places, 4 sitting places, 5 sitting places around the table, 140 horsepower. It weighs 3,250 kilos, which but you can put it in a 5.5 ton basis, so I suppose that's pretty good if true, and also pull 3.5 tons. And there was some other bit of information I wanted to give you. You've got an internal height is 200 centimeters, external 288, and haven't got a clue how long it is. And well, never mind, can't do everything, I suppose. Right, let's go inside. So integrated, you've got this fantastic wide window at the front. I know I can tell it's 230 centimeters or 232 in width. There you've got a bed up there. You've got a big a lot of space around the table. Okay, let's go to the back. And okay, German layout with a easy access to the wardrobe. Of course, you can't actually use it down here, and it's easy access because the bed isn't made. And if the bed were made, then it mightn't be so easy. Oh look, it closes automatically as well if the mattress is on it. This thing here will pull out. There you go. It's so far and pull out, and it'll pull out all the way down there, and you've got another cushion, mattress somewhere, and that'll fit in there, and that'll make an enormous bed at the back. You've even got a ladder so you can climb into bed with the ladder. What about this side? What's this got to say for itself? Well, it's got a huge wardrobe in here, and obviously this door also opens the same way. In fact, it was open there, you see? You see that? There you go. There you go. How about that? Yeah, I'll make it a bit closer. You can see it absolutely close up. Okay, I can't do it. I can't on the camera. But anyway, never mind. There we go. That closes like that. What about closing this door here? There, we close that, and you've got this very large shower. If you want to see how big it is, I'll go in to the shower and you can see me. There's me in the mirror, and I'm going back and further back, and see how big it is. Got all this space here. Right, you can also close this here, which I can't do because it's locked somewhere. And I've also got here in the double floor. Will I be able to open it? Because, oh yes I can. There you go, fresh water. I thought that this, oops. So this is here, this appears to be broken here. Oh no, it isn't. I think it needs some work on it. Alright, so you've got a room divider here. Room divider, click that up like that, and that'll slide across. I'm not having board or wood. It's not a real wood, it's laminate, but I've got my doubts about these things. I mean, they rattle off a lot. This one doesn't. Well, no, it's okay. See the double floor down here? Double floor, in my opinion, I wouldn't want to buy a van without a double floor. It's not a very deep double floor, but at least it's a double floor. Oh dear, what do you think of that? That's not so good, does it? Oh no. €82,000 van. That shouldn't be like that. There's clearly a knack to closing these things, which I haven't yet learned. Okay, let's have a look in here, seeing as I'm sitting on the floor anyway. There you go. You've got a drawer, hole, bit pointless. But at least it's got the top bar there. Okay, maybe it's not entirely pointless, or maybe it keeps the weight down. All right, I'll let that one go. Oops. Sorry. So I'm filming the wrong way. I'm filming the, sorry, I was filming the, I hit the camera by accident and I started filming the roof. Anyway, right, so there's the roof up there. I've got a good view of the roof. And the roof is next to the fridge. There you go, we'll open the fridge up as well. It doesn't open that way, it opens this way. There we go. Right, so we're coming to the kitchen now. Sink. Large. Right, you've got 2 burners here. Somebody's going to like, I don't want to pay €82,000 and have only 2 burners. You can get 3 as an option. And the problem with this is that there is some kind of a barrier actually required here. I'll bring this subject with Thetford actually. I had a meeting with them today, so I'll bring it up. I'll see them tomorrow again, so I'll bring it up then. That's 12 volt and your USBs and a bit of shore power if you're plugged into the mains. Alternatively, you could actually rewire it so that comes off your inverter. That's also possible. Right, oh, that's a nice big amount of storage up there. And we're back onto the bed up here. So what can we do about this bed? Anything or nothing? Will it come down? It will do. It will do, only I'm going to need 2 hands to do it, so I'm not going to force it. The front bed will come down. You got to put the chairs down like to get the front bed to work. But that's how it all happens. Anyway, here's a big table. And what do you think of this then? Any good or not really? Oh well, we'll have a walk around the outside. One thing I do note, and I think should always be standard, you've got down there a reversing camera, so you can see what's going on. This one here is on an automatic gearbox. I'll put the thing out again. And let's have a walk around the outside. This closes like that. Window in the door, always a good thing. What do you think's in here? Is that enough space? Because I don't think my battery would actually fit in there. One thing you do, okay, you can plug your hook up there, but don't see how the cable comes out. Right, we'll have a walk around. Oh, what a brilliant! That's fantastic. That amount of space there. Right, so that's where you fill it with water. Exhaust for the boiler. That's where diesel goes. Additional storage. But for what? I suspect actually that's where you'd keep your things like your jack and this type of thing. Right. G740 GJ Evidence. I do have a little bit of an issue with that, with the electric cable, unless there's another one somewhere. There isn't. So you unhook up, right? Now, there must be an answer to this. I don't understand that. If you unhook up, right? So you put your external cable there. Oh no, sorry, I take all that back. There's a hole here, and the cable would run through the hole. So that isn't too bad. It might be a bit of a job, sort of pulling it through. Maybe let's see if that. Well, maybe I can. Okay, that's that's relatively okay. That's relatively okay. It will be safe, you know. You got, so this is closed and it's locked, and you got your cable running up there. Nobody's going to pinch your cable, or at least they do. They'll have to cut it and leave the final bit inside. Didn't show you this, did I? Or did I? Well, it's the gas cabinet anyway. Can't open it. Good. Right, so I'd normally actually take you around and show you some more vans, but as I can hear them banging the doors closed, that's not going to be possible. Thanks for watching.